Artificial intelligence (AI) for short is a term you've probably heard before, but what does it really mean? Simply put, AI is a type of computer science that enables machines to think and learn like humans. It's a way to create intelligent machines that can perform tasks on their own without being explicitly programmed. Imagine a world where machines can see, hear, and understand you, where they can learn from their mistakes and improve over time. This is the world of AI, and it's already here, from virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and personalized product recommendations. AI is all around us, but AI is more than just a fancy technology. It's a game changer. It has the potential to revolutionize industries and transform the way we live and work. For example, AI can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly, allowing for earlier treatment and better patient outcomes. AI can also help us solve some of the world's most pressing problems like climate change and poverty. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can identify patterns and trends that humans might miss, leading to breakthroughs and new insights. But as powerful as AI is, it's not without its risks. There are concerns about job displacement, bias, and even existential threats. As AI becomes more advanced, it's essential that we develop guidelines and regulations to ensure it's used responsibly. So what can you do to be a part of the AI revolution? Start by learning more about AI and its applications. Explore online courses and tutorials and stay up to date with the latest news and developments. You can also support organizations that are working to develop AI for social good. The future of AI is exciting and uncertain, but one thing is clear: AI has the potential to transform our world in profound ways. Join the conversation, share your thoughts, and let's shape the future of AI together. Will you be a part of it? The choice is yours. Share this video with someone who needs to know about AI, and let's start a conversation that can change the world.